is the Neewer magnetic variable set of 4, and it comes with 2 ND filters that have stops from 1 till 5 and 6 till 9. And it has a CPL filter, and I'm gonna go through what all those do in just a second. And then it has a UV filter. The short version, okay, the non-techie version is if you're shooting in super bright conditions outside where it's gonna be overexposed, you would put on one of these two, depending on how bright it was. And then you can rotate the dial so that you can adjust the light and bring it down so you don't lose the colors of what you're shooting. CPL filter would basically be used around reflective surfaces like water, or if you were skiing or something like that, to kind of tone down that glare. And then this UV filter would be for reducing UV light, controlling UV light. And I do love that they all snap in right here. That is magnetic. So that's what they look like, because when you have one of these, the case that it comes with, it only has space for 2 filters on board. And it, you know, it comes with the wide angle, the DJI comes with the wide angle, and I bought the Pro Mist filter. So that's what I have in there. So you would have to keep this separate in your bag. Let's go test them out, see if they work. This is with no lens. This is set to 1, and you can see how overexposed that is. This is at 2, 3, this is at 4, and this is at 5. This is at 6. You see how those colors are getting more and more rich. This is 7, 8, and this is 9. This is the UV filter.